covers up, honey. I look like somebody on Halloween, but it's all right. As long as this makeup don't transfer to my shirt, I am not mad at all. All right. So let's see what we can do. Up, over the bun, over the bun. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out some new Professional Kiss New York BB cream / foundations. All right, this is something new that they just came out with, so I'm going to be trying it out. I have it on my face right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wear it all day. So it's my first time using the product. I'm going to try it on, wear it to work. I'm not going to dabble my face or anything. I want to show you guys how it actually looks and feels and how the wear is for all day use. Now, so far from looking at my face, it seems like it's going to do good, but we don't know until we actually try it out. So just go ahead and stick around so you guys can see how well this foundation will last all day. So the shades I have is Chestnut, Caramel, Rich Mahogany, Coconut, Cappuccino, and Toffee, all right? I did a quick swatch on Instagram before. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you need to. That's at @makeup_by_Carrie because I do unboxings and quick swatches there. But I'm going to be using this for the first time in my videos today. My shade is Coconut. I tried it last night, and this one was the one that best fit me. Now, I have 6 different shades here, so I'll swatch all 6 of them on my face just so you can kind of get a feel of what it looks like. Really quick, I'm just going to give you a few details about this new product. So this is the new Cover Plus Care Matte Beauty Balm. Beauty Balm stands for BB cream. I'm assuming, I think, okay, whatever, move on. And it's acne cover and control. It has the salicylic acid in it. And, well, it has salicylic acid beads. So that's even better. It's going to help against all the acne and stuff like that. That's the medicine that helps against acne. It says it clears your skin, maximum strength, heavy duty coverage, which I think is the truth because from the swatches that I did do on Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, as you saw, it was like coverage for real. So that's good. This is supposed to be matte, and it's for combination and or blemish prone skin. So I'm really excited to use this. It seems like it's supposed to be a more, not healthier, but you can say healthier version of regular foundation, especially if you have acne prone skin because it has some stuff in it that'll help you out. So moving on, let me go ahead and swatch all of the colors on me. We have Chestnut, Rich Mahogany, Caramel. I could have swapped those out. That one seems a little bit darker. On this side, that's the shade that I'm going to use. That's the Coconut, that's Cappuccino, and that's Toffee. So those are the colors from dark to light. As for the ones that they sent me, like I said, I don't know if they have more shades. They may or may not. But these is what I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade, which is the Coconut, and I feel like it's the closest to me once it's blended out. And I'm gonna cover that all over my face. So let's get started, okay? Okay, so far I think that the color choice Coconut was like a really good choice for my face because it seems to be blending in nicely. Like absolutely nicely. Like this is my color. All right, so now that my makeup is all done, I gotta get ready to go to work, y'all. I have on this tank top, and I'm not going to be wearing this tank top like that because it's winter. So I do have some vanity hoods from Vanity Tools. So they hooked me up. I have a purple and I have a black. And what you do is you put it over your face and everything, so that way it doesn't get on your shirt. I'm wearing a long sleeve turtleneck today, and y'all know how it be like a struggle trying not to get the makeup to rub onto your clothes. So this is a really good product, and everyone who loves makeup needs to get them one of these. Got me covered up, honey. I look like somebody on Halloween, but it's all right. As long as this makeup don't transfer to my shirt, I am not mad at all. All right. So let's see what we can do. Up, over the bun, over the bun, over the bun. Okay, we did it. I know I look crazy, but let's see. Woo! All right, y'all. So what I'm gonna say is this foundation, as far as going on, it is absolutely full coverage. It covers like every blemish. You don't see anything at all. It does feel nice. It's not like a drying matte where your face is like cracking, like, oh my gosh, I can't move my face. So it's very comfortable to wear. Actually, it's very lightweight because I don't really feel it at all, if I'm honest with you. And the consistency was really like, not loose like watery, but loose enough to blend it out in time before it dried. And I think that is a plus because it's just easy to use, okay? All right, so I'm finally back from work. I put my makeup on like 7, 8 o'clock this morning. Right now it's around 7 o'clock. I just got out of work at like 6:30. So it's around like 10 hours of makeup on my face. And I haven't dabbled, I haven't patted, I haven't done anything to it. I just let the makeup be, and this is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna give this foundation, well, technically a BB cream, but it's my new foundation. This is a tint, okay? My T-zone area is normally super oily. It's not that greasy, it's just normal to average. If I maybe would have dabbed it like one time, I would have been set. Overall, it's holding up very well. There's not a lot of creasing in my laugh lines. There's not a lot of creasing anywhere, to be honest with you. It feels light. When I tell you it for a matte BB cream foundation, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything at all. So that is a plus. Anyways, that's it. So if you guys are looking for a new foundation or BB cream, if you have acne prone skin, this is definitely my #1 choice for you guys. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.